What's the meaning of condiment? Condiment. Condiment.
Condiment. Condiment. A condiment is a substance added to food to enhance its flavor, such as salt, pepper, ketchup, mustard, vinegar, or soy sauce. It can also refer to a mixture of spices, herbs, or other ingredients used to season food. The purpose of condiments is to add depth and complexity to the taste of the dish, thereby making it more enjoyable to consume. They are often used in small amounts and can be tailored to suit individual preferences. Overall, condiments play an important role in elevating the culinary experience by enhancing the flavor and aroma of food.